This is Peter from First Maths. Today we are looking at the Year 4 Block 3 Assessment Paper 2. Answers at the end of the quiz. Are you ready? Let's go. Question number 1. Using only the numbers and symbols below, how can you make the number 45? You may use the numbers and symbols as many times as you wish. 4, 9 equals plus and times. Please pause the video until you are ready for question 2. Here comes question 2. Question 2. Using only the numbers 9, 36 and 4, write 4 number sentences. 2 will be multiplied and 2 will be using division. Pause the video until you are ready for question 3. Here comes question 3. Question 3. Put a ring around the amount which is nearest to £10. £10.35, £10.35, £9.91, £9.79, £11, £10.26. Pause the video until you are ready for question 4. Here comes question 4. Question 4. What is 6/10 of £1? B. What fraction of £1 is 70 pence? C. Which 4 scores on the spinner add up to 1 whole 1? Pause the video until you are ready for question 5. Here comes question 5. Question 5. Complete this table using addition. So, 32 plus something makes 47. 32 plus something makes 82. 24 plus 32 makes something. 24 plus 47 makes something. Pause the video until you are ready for question 6. Here comes question 6. Question 6. I have 2 sums. The first one is A. 167 plus 258 plus 45 equals what? And B. 417 take away 78. What does that equal? Pause the video until you are ready for question 7. Here comes question 7. Question 7. This time you are looking at multiplication. The first, the yellow and orange grid, is quite easy because it is just 8 times 4 is something. 8 times 2 is something. 8 times 6 is something. 8 times 3 is something, and so on till you fill in all the white squares. The blue grid is a bit trickier because it now goes 4 times something makes 8, as well as 3 times 4 makes something. Pause the video while you fill in all the boxes and are ready, and then press play when you are ready for question 8. Here comes question 8. Question 8. There are 24 biscuits in a packet. How many biscuits are there in 6 packets? Show your working. You may get a mark. Pause the video until you are ready for question 9. Here comes question 9. Question 9. Put a ring around the numbers which have a remainder of 1 when divided by 4. Pause the video until you are ready for question 10. Here comes question 10. Question 10. A bottle can fill 4 glasses. How many bottles are needed to fill 38 glasses? Show your working. You may get a mark. Pause the video until you are ready for question 11. Here comes question 11. Question 11. Complete the table. Here are 3 films: The Three Wolves, Moon Wars, and Spider Story. For The Three Wolves and Moon Wars, work out how long the films are. For Spider Story, work out when it started. Pause the video until you are ready for the next question. Here comes question 12. Question 12. Look at this calendar for June 2001. Which day of the week is 16th of June? Pause the video until you are ready for the next question. Here comes the next question. Question 12b. What is the date of the second Monday in June? Pause the video until you are ready for the next question. Here comes the next question. The Smith family are going on holiday 2 weeks after the 14th of June. What date will that be? Pause the video until you are ready for the next question. Here comes the next question. Are you ready? 13a. 15 books were borrowed on Monday. Draw in the bar. Pause the video until you are ready for question 13b. Here comes question 13b. Question 13b. On which day were the most books borrowed? Pause the question until you are ready for 13c. Here comes 13c. Question 13c. How many books were borrowed on Thursday? Pause the video until you are ready for 13d. Here comes 13d. How many books were borrowed altogether during the week? Don't forget that Monday we have an extra 15 books. Pause the video until you are ready to see the answers. Here come the answers. Question 1. Various possible answers, so you will have to check with your teacher or your colleague. Question 2. 4 times 9 equals 36. 36 divided by 4 equals 9. 9 times 4 equals 36. 36 divided by 9 equals 4. Question 3. The closest number was £9.91. Question 4. A is 60 pence. B is £7.10. C 0.2, 0.3, 2 tenths and 3 tenths. There might be various other answers. You'd have to check. 15 plus 32 is 47. 15 plus 47 is 62. 15 plus 75 is 90. 24 plus 32 is 56. 24 plus 47 is 71. 24 plus 75 is 99. 50 plus 32 is 82. 50 plus 47 is 97. 50 plus 75 is 125. Question 6. A is 470, B is 339. 7. This is how the grid came. 8 times 4, 32. 8 times 2, 16. 8 times 6, 48. 8 times 3, 24. 3 times 4 is 12. 3 times 2 is 6. 3 times 6 is 18. 3 times 3 is 9. 5 times 4 is 20. 5 times 2 is 10. 5 times 6 is 30. 5 times 3 is 15. 9 times 4 is 36. 9 times 2 is 18. 9 times 6 is 54. 9 times 3 is 27. 2 times 8 is 16. 2 times 4 is 8. 2 times 9 is 18. 2 times 6 is 12. 3 times 8 is 24. 3 times 4 is 12. 3 times 9 is 27. 3 times 6 is 18. 4 times 8 is 32. 4 times 4 is 16. 4 times 9, 36. 4 times 6, 24. 5 times 8 is 40. 5 times 4 is 20. 5 times 9 is 45. 5 times 6 is 30. Question 8, the answer is 144. Question 9, 13, 17, 21, 25, 29, 33. Question 10, the answer was 10 bottles. Question 11, 1 hour, 10 minutes, 1 hour, 45 minutes, 12:20 p.m. Question 12a, Saturday. 12b, 11th of June. 12c, 28th of June. 13, all correctly drawn column. So it has to reach in between the 10 and the 20 at 15. 13b is Friday. 13c is 25. 13d, 145. Thank you for watching. If you liked this video, please give it a like below. Please subscribe to my channel and also press the notification bell to be informed every time I upload a new maths resource. This could be a maths puzzle, a maths game, a maths quiz, a maths lesson. I love teaching maths and look forward to seeing you again soon. Bye!